Hi, hello, welcome to Veg Wonders. Hope you're all doing good. Wonder what I'm going to do with this. Fed up of getting all the store-bought kurkures, chips, everything for kids. So wanted to try a different item with this. So I'm going to make a kurkure out of this. Simply like this. So shall we see how to do this? The ingredients are, of course, the pasta, main ingredient, rice flour. I've taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, salt, this is to your taste, half a teaspoon sugar, and this is 1 teaspoon amchur powder or dry mango powder. Then you need oil and water, of course. So let's see how to do it. First we have to boil this as we do for regular pasta. We have to boil this in water. So I'm taking 2.5 cups of water. That is 1 cup of pasta. So I'll be taking 2.5 cups of water here. To this I am adding just 1 spoon of oil so that it don't stick together. Once this water boils, we'll add this pasta. The water is boiling now. I'll be adding this and leave it to boil for 5 minutes. So this is boiled now. Switch it off and we'll drain the excess water from this. So I have drained it. Now I'll transfer it to other bowl. To this I'll be adding this rice flour. You can even take corn flour or maida, whichever you want. You have to just sprinkle it. First allow it to cool, then sprinkle it and mix it. Completely done. Now we have to fry it. The oil is already hot. Now we can start. So you have fried it till golden brown. Now this is ready. We'll go for the next one. This is how it is. See, so crispy. Now we'll be mixing all the ingredients in this. So finally it's done, homemade kurkure. So I'll try this. Very tasty. It's actually sour and sweet. It's very nice. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different video, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.